Okay friends, so today I'm going to show you how to make this photo into a realistic pencil art. So now you can see this background, and now I need to make a copy of it. So now I will easily drag it and make a background copy. And now go to image, then adjustments, then hue saturation, and then make the hue saturation as minus 100. I mean saturation. Okay, so now make again a copy. Before making a copy, make a group. So to do that, you need to click on Ctrl G. Okay, so now this is the group. Now make a background copy by clicking on Ctrl J. Okay, so now you can see here this button. Click on it and make it as color dodge. Okay, so now click on Ctrl I. After that, this photo should be exactly white. Then click on filter, other, then minimize, and like this thing will come. Make it like for 5 to 10. I will make it 7. I will show you if I make more than 10. You can see it's exactly like a photo. So now I will make it as 7. Then click on OK. Now again go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur, and make it again like 1.17. Then click on OK, and you can see easily I made this thing using Photoshop. So if you have any problem, that means if you made this and it didn't work, put me in the comment section below the problem that you had. I will send you a reply how to make it rightly like my one. So before ending this video, make sure to subscribe me and click on the bell icon and like. If you have any problem, like I said before, put me in the comment section below. And now we will see you in the next video.